up my and I will be pretty much ready to rock. So, hello, Crypto Moonbags. Hello, Thomas. Hello. Um, all right. I am also live on YouTube right now, so follow me on YouTube. And if you prefer the YouTube experience, I am sharing my screen there. And I'm live on. I'm not live on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. You see my background there. So I am live on TikTok and YouTube. Top of the morning to ya. Yeah, exciting times ahead. Listen, I'm still convinced. Hey, what's up, Umar, Daksh, Peter? What's up? What a morning, Evan. Yeah, what a morning. Good morning, slice of butter. So yeah, crazy stuff today. Listen, here's the deal. I am still as confident as ever about October, November, and December. Yeah, Litecoin. I see you guys. 2 Ethereum and 100 Litecoin. All right. You know, I do think that you'll have a better opportunity to buy. I don't think we have seen the bottom for this month. Okay. I want to be clear about that. But like we're close to the bottom. Okay. So, and again, hey, Dean and Bance, what's up? What's up? Look, Papette. I did see the spike for Litecoin. Yeah. So, all right, Daksh, the more you know. I don't necessarily, I kind of remember, but sorry. You bought a ETH this morning, Waverly. Awesome. Good morning, Albert. But yeah, so I'm sorry. I'm way mixed up right now. I'm super bullish. All right. It's just, listen, here's my thing. I'm not an expert on short term, but like medium to long term, things look awesome right now. And I want to be clear about that. Things look awesome. So just suffer through the short term. And we'll be good. We'll be good. So sorry, my TikTok chat froze. So sorry about that. And oh shoot. Let's see what hopefully we're back online. Give me a second here. What's up, Crypto? All right, so hopefully on YouTube you've got me. We're good. Please let me know. And I'm way behind on the comments and everything. So best platform to start with Canada. I'm sorry, I don't know about Canada what the best platform is. But for those of you on YouTube, okay, you're good. All right, quant at 336, 500 minimum beginning October. I hope you're right. Litecoin, yeah, Litecoin. That was a bummer, but listen, I'm still just as bullish on Litecoin. Walmart is not. Walmart's not partnering with Litecoin. That was a rumor. Watch my most recent TikTok. That was a false press release. So somebody tricked the AP and Reuters. YouTube for Canada. I'm not sure what you're asking. $500. Should I buy Link or Litecoin? I would say short-term Litecoin. Seller Network, I've heard of it, but I don't know enough about it. H-Bar is doing very well. I see you, yeah. And again, all right, German man here, you think there will be a deeper dip? I think if there is a deeper dip, it's going to be very quick. So here's the thing, I'm telling you, on-chain looks awesome. On-chain looks awesome, but on-chain cannot predict, like, with the, short-term stuff, but medium and long-term, things look great. So Cardano price this week, I don't think it's going to be a great week. So picked up Theta at $5.90. Good buy. Yeah, I think that's a good buy. What's up, bro? You still think Link hits $100 by the end of the bull run? Yes, I do. Deeper dip coming. I think if there's a deeper dip, it's going to be very quick, okay? Very, very quick. And, so set limit orders. I could see us going for a brief second into the 30s, but trust me, if it goes into the 30s, whales are going to scoop that up aggressively. Pancake price prediction, 3 figures. So for those of you on TikTok, the chat is way too hot right now. I am live on YouTube. Look up World War Bitcoin on YouTube. I cannot answer every question on TikTok, but I can on YouTube, so head on over there. If you were holding one crypto in the next 4 months, what would it be? It's always either going to be Bitcoin or Ethereum. Buy more Ethereum. Eric, I bought some today when Bitcoin was under $44,000. I jumped in. I made a TikTok about that. Could quant crash to $10? ever during the bear market. That's $10 seems a little bit too low. That's a 97% drop. I don't think so. So VET price prediction in this dip, I have no idea. Where is VET right now? All right, Bob's going over good. Hex coin price target, I have no idea. Maybe we topped out. I don't know. I don't know. It's like Hex is so confusing. Litecoin fall back into the 160s before the bull run. Maybe. So I noticed Litecoin like was bought very aggressively when it dipped under 180. So who knows? What's up with Quant now? Yeah, so VET price prediction, I don't know. I don't know for VET, sorry. But Quant had a crazy weekend, and then it went back down to where it was. So Quant is very volatile right now, $337.57. I think it topped out at 428 or something like that. So wild week, 422 maybe. Wild week for Quant. And let's see, 406. No, it was higher than 406. So what do you think about Avalanche? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know enough about Avalanche. VeChain going to hit 80 cents to $1. I think so. Cosmos, bubbly milk. Do you mean Cosmos? Because Cosmos, I'm bullish on Cosmos. It's the closest thing to a competitor with Quant. I like Quant more, but I think 3 figures for Cosmos. So Quant was 425, 429. I see that. Yeah. So what's up, King Kush? You think we're close to the bottom? By close, I mean like 5 or max 10% drop. 10%. Let's see. Yeah, about 10% from here, in my opinion, would be the max. So give us some buy limit orders for alts. That's a tough one, because like here's the thing I'm saying: if Bitcoin goes under 44K, I'm buying alts. And it happened this morning, and so here we go. I'm buying alts, and that's all I'll say. I don't have any limit orders set. So how low? Let's see. ETN, don't know enough about ETN. Thoughts on Pablo's videos recently actually producing decent content instead of waffling? Yeah, Pablo is good he's smart about what's going on in the world, and so yeah, CVO did predict a dip to happen soon. Yes, he did, and that's on my radar. Absolutely. So good. I'm glad that Pablo's making good content. I have a lot of VeChain. What do you think it can get to by December? I'm going to say by January, like 80 cents to $1. I own Walmart stock. Is it a pump and dump? Should I sell and buy back? I don't know what to say about Walmart. Walmart's always a safe hold. If things don't go well economically, Walmart will hold strong because, people will lower their standards and buy Walmart stock. You expect the dip to happen during September. And I mean, the dip already happened, and it could happen a little more. Opinions on VXV. I'm very bullish on it. I bought some last week for the first time. So I'm new to VXV, but very bullish on it. Do you still think AMP will hit $1? I think so, yeah. Where do you see Bitcoin, Ethereum as of now, end of year? I have not changed. I'm not going to say end of year because things could peak in January or even later than that. But $200,000 for Bitcoin and $15,000 for ETH. So again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. There's no way I can keep up with this chat on TikTok. It's way too aggressive. But hop on over to YouTube, World War Bitcoin, and I will gladly answer every question there. Solana needs time to cool off. I'm not surprised it's at $156 right now. I could see it going lower than that, but my $200 prediction was way too conservative, and I expect it to go higher than that. So have you looked into XYO? I mean, yeah, I made a video about XYO several months ago. And, I'm bullish on it, so got in at Cosmos at $10. Awesome. What's up, everyone? Hodling, best is yet to come for 2021. Yes. Top coin short term. Let's get through this volatility, but Litecoin and Ethereum are my 2 biggest ones. So thoughts on Dogecoin? Would it go over 40 cents again? I think Doge is still going to $1, but I think other cryptos are going to outperform it. Other than ETH, if you had only one alt for this bull, what would it be? Litecoin. Good morning, Lee John. What's up? Quant was 185 to 429 in a week. Yeah, so she'll pull back. Yes, good call, Crypto Noob. Good price for Matic. I mean, now's a good time to get into some Matic. But I think it's going to $8 this cycle, so nibble away. It's at $1.23 right now. XRP, $8 to $10. Do you think it will drop more? I think we will see a drop. I think we'll see a drop. I think we'll see a very quick, less than 24 hours period where Bitcoin could go under $40,000. So thank you, Jordan. Let's see how to buy VXV. somebody tell me a different website, but I bought mine on Uniswap and paid a ton in gas fees. But there's a place you don't have to pay that many. Coin Metro. There we go. Coin Metro. So again, for those of you on TikTok, I can't keep up, man. I can't keep up. Hop on over to YouTube. You mentioned why Atom's going up. It was due. It was due. So, do you like Crypto Weatherman? I love Crypto Weatherman. He's my boy. So yes, I think it will drop more just very quickly. He said he would not go for a bull run due to the stock market crashing and whatnot. What do you think? Crypto Weatherman is an expert in technical analysis and in certain cryptos like HBAR, very bullish on HBAR. I trust my judgment more. I mean, like, I've been calling for a stock market crash since 2010. So is a stock market crash imminent? It could be, or it could be another couple years. Like, legitimately, it could be another couple years. So I'm not gonna bet on a stock market crash happening. I'm sorry. I mean, maybe a 10% dip, but not an all-out crash. So still up on my portfolio. I think we are out of the woods yet. Not quite, but hopefully soon. Let's see. I'm way behind on YouTube even. Let's see, is Ethereum a buy for swing trade? Is it going to dip more? I think it's going to dip more. Yeah, best Solana ecosystem picks. I'm sorry, I'm not really paying attention. I just love Solana. Any new NFT buys? I don't have one, sorry. Nice price target in buying opinion. I already, Matic, I already answered that. I think now's a good time, but I think it's going to go to $8 or so. Thoughts on Dogecoin? Yeah, I answered that. StormX, I don't have a prediction for that. Is ETH at its bottom? I don't think so. I answered that. AMP will be 20x if it hits $1. Yep. Thoughts on Uniswap? I like Uniswap. Yeah, sorry, Toasted Monkeys. I can't fix that right now. XRP and Digibyte, $8 for XRP, $8 to $10, but Digibyte, I don't have one. When does the cycle end? I think Bitcoin will peak in December and alts will peak in January. So let's see, Quant January 1,000. We'll see. How low can Quant dip? I don't think under $300. If it does, it's going to be very quick. So let's see, Jojo Max 90, not sure. Okay, Coin Metro, yes. Sell my HBAR, I'm up 2K. Take some profits, take out your initial investment, something like that. For those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube right now. I cannot answer every question on TikTok, but I'm trying to blaze through my YouTube comments. Do you really see X5 for cake to 100? Yes, I do. Any thoughts on Mina and Hex? Mina is going to one day be awesome. The technology is not there right now. Hex, I own Hex. I'm staking it. Hex has seemed to top out. And is Hex a scam? I still don't know. But I bought some in December before I realized that it might be a scam. And so I'm just going to keep riding it. Is Link a competitor to Quant? Isn't Link a competitor to Quant? In some ways, yeah, it is. So what makes you think VET is going to $1? I base everything off of Bitcoin. I think there's a 5x or 4x in Bitcoin from where we are now. And I think that that VeChain will outperform Bitcoin on the way up, but it's going to crash really hard as well. So thoughts on Trios and Rose, don't know enough. Digibyte, don't know enough. NFTB, that's another one I just don't know enough. What do you think ETH will drop to? I could see it under 3,000. And if ETH gets under 3,000, I am pouncing on it. So are you still releasing a course? One day, but please stop asking about it. I haven't even started. So what are you holding through the bear market? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. But I will sell some of all of those except for Bitcoin. Contentos, price prediction, don't know enough. Solar Ping, no idea. ADA dip, price prediction. I just don't do that, ADA's at 240 right now. It's down about 20% from its peak. I would say now's a decent time to get in, especially because we had the smart contracts release yesterday. I think it happened. I don't really pay attention to crypto news on Sundays, but it doesn't seem like it was a buy the rumor, sell the news type thing. So I would say now's a safe time to get in on on Cardano. And again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. Head on over to YouTube. I can't answer every question on TikTok, but I can on YouTube. And follow me on Twitter, WWBitcoin. I will answer any question you ask on Twitter. So let's see. Sorry if I missed anything. Is now a good time to buy Litecoin? I would wait a little bit. I was hoping, when I saw that Bitcoin was under $44,000, I was hoping that Litecoin would be lower than where it was, but it was at 180. And it's still at 180. I think, yeah, it's at 180. That's not a dip to me. So Litecoin seems to be holding strong. Ulti, I don't know anything about Ulti. When is VeChain going to hit $1 in January? At the very end. VeChain's going to go up like that, like most cryptos. So Sorry, I don't know if I've answered everything on YouTube here, but the YouTube chat is way too hot for me even. So thoughts on ICP? I hate ICP with the heat of 1,000 suns, but ICP is going to do very well over the next few months. So after the peak, what percentage do you think will crash? I think we're going to see a huge crash. And I've been thinking about this a lot. Like, I could see before the next halving a big stock market crypto crash. Thank you. Something like that. And so I think crypto is going to crash really hard. So bought Bitcoin in 2007. No, you didn't. Bitcoin didn't exist in 2007. Litecoin hoax. Ouch, not me, but ouch. Yeah, sure. Deep quant analysis, not right now. So Trios and Roge, again, I don't know enough. I don't know enough about Alchemy Pay. Moon River, that sounds like a meme coin, so no thank you. How many of the top 50 cryptos might disappear completely in the bear market? Not many of them, honestly. So in 2014, if you look at the top 50 cryptos in 2014, only 9 still exist. Cryptos are more mature right now and more established. And so I don't think that that's going to happen. All right, thoughts on Litecoin new and the fact news story? Yeah, I made a TikTok about that. Check it out. Finally convinced the fiance to let me invest $6K into some crypto. How long should I hold out before getting in? I think you should put like 1,000 in today and just wait. So look at the Bitcoin charts. I'm looking at it right now. Litecoin got some great news today, but no, Litecoin, that was false news. So Cardano, what, $8 or so? When do you think XRP lawsuit is going to end? I don't think in September. So what makes me think Bitcoin is going to crash? I wouldn't call it a crash. I could see it be a 10% correction. And it's just, that's what happened in September. New gaming coin Alti, I really don't know. Sold my USDT, great comment. Harmony One, it's not super much on my radar, but it looks good from what I can see. Graph, Pancake, again, 3 figures. Graph and Filecoin, another one that's not on my radar. Sonar Ping, I'll try to look into it. Man, fake Litecoin news. I made a TikTok about it. Go check it out. Will Bitcoin go up, down, or all around? Dan, Bitcoin's going up, but we've got a flat month or a crab market month. So let's see. Chia. Yeah, I've heard about Chia. Proof of storage, of all things. So it looks intriguing to me, but I haven't really looked into it. XLM, $2 to $3 is my prediction for that. Do you think crypto will have another bear market? Absolutely. 80 to 85% correction? Yes. Yes. But it's going to peak first, and we'll see where things go down. And then for things that have staking like Ethereum and Cardano and Solana, I don't think it's going to be 80 to 85%. Thoughts on the Flare network? Not on my radar, sorry. When does the AMC and game squeezes have to do with crypto? What does it have to do with crypto? I don't know. What will I buy in the bear market? I'm going to load up on a ton of Solana and a ton of Quant and a lot of VXV and a lot of it. We'll see about Ethereum. Ethereum might not have a bear market. Is Theta still bullish? Everything is still bullish. Alchemy P, GRT, not really on my radar right now. Yeah, Sambo, I see you on that. I think Quant will be higher money than price than ETH within 6 months. I disagree. Terra Luna to 100 or so. By the end of the month with 4,000, I'm going to put 3,000 Ethereum and 1,000 Litecoin. Good choice. I think that's a good choice, yeah. So Quant over ETH, no, I can't. ETH is probably my number one. Like on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, ETH is my favorite crypto. On Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, it's Ethereum. So Telcoin prediction, no idea. Pancake price target, yeah, I said 3 figures. I do not follow Shardy B on Twitter. No. You think VXV going to $200 long term? I could see it one day being worth $200. Yeah. When Quant has bear market, we will know more. Absolutely. BTT and XLM. Oh my goodness, I'm so far behind. I'm not a fan of BTT. Anything that Justin Sun has touched, I don't want anything to do with it. XLM, I am bullish on XLM. I love it long term. I've been saying $2 to $3 this cycle. So. Oh my goodness. GME greater than everything else. Yeah. Opinions on SafeMoon overtaking Bitcoin. Yeah, right. Is SafeMoon dead? Guys, is SafeMoon dead? SafeMoon might be dead. It might legitimately be dead. I mean, I'm not going to, maybe it'll go up at the end of this run or something, but I think I need profile pick. Okay. Would you buy HBAR right now or wait for it to dip? I would wait. Yep. Moon River is a smart contract parachain on Kusama. Okay. Good to know. We need 10 billion market for Quant to be 1K, so it's actually possible. It is possible, yeah. What percentage of crash would you think after we peak? I could see overall being about 80%. Yeah. Good price to buy on Dot. You know what? Dot. So somebody I follow on Twitter, Pentoshi is his username, and he thinks Dot is poised to break out. So we'll see. We'll see about Polkadot. Do you ever participate in IDOs? Not really. I wish I did more. What do you think of CRV? Not on my radar at all. Sorry. Why do you think we're hitting 200K for Bitcoin? Listen, 200K would be diminishing returns. That would be about a 10x from the peak in 2018. The peak in 2017 was 20x from the previous peak, or maybe like 18x, something like that. So I think about an 8 to 10x from the 2018 peak. And then in 2024, 2025, it'll be about a 5x. So let's see. CTX has been wild. All right. Sorry, I'm going to move on. I'm going on. Oh, my goodness. Sorry, I'm just going back to the bottom of YouTube chat. So sorry about that. Use Coins Perspective website. Compare market cap. Okay. I can confirm SafeMoon is dead. Have visited the grave, although I'm hearing people wait for it to resurrect. Okay. SafeMoon ain't Jesus. There we go. What do you think of Qubit? I don't know enough about Qubit. Hollow's a beast. Is it doing well? I own some. I saw somebody predicting Hollow to $1. I would cry tears of joy, but I don't think that's going to happen. RIP to the days of 10 of us in the YouTube chat. Yeah, that's for sure, Lee John. Any thoughts on Audius? That's another one that I really need to look into. I did a little bit of research on Audius. It looks good. It looks good. I just don't have a price prediction. Best hard wallet device? Probably a Trezor. Heard of Injective Protocol? No, I haven't. I haven't. So Polkadot, again, something that I said about Polkadot. What's up, 251 Granny? Polkadot, somebody who I really respect, whose opinion I really respect, thinks that Polkadot is about to go on a tear. So that's on my radar, and I know that it already has done well over the last couple of days, but I think it has more room to go, and I'd be targeting its all-time high around $50. Crow, same market cap than BNB one day? No, I don't think so. BNB has a 10 in way too many things, but Crow is going to do well. CTX is up 2,000% in the last 3 months. I know nothing about CTX, so Quant a beast. Quant does what it does. I'm very bullish on Quant. Would you buy ADA or the hype is gone? The big event happened yesterday. I would buy ADA right now. So EOS, I'm not super bullish on EOS. I don't think it's going to do all that great in comparison to other cryptos, maybe even in comparison to Bitcoin. So I have the same sentiment with DOT, same with AVAX. Okay, all right. Why is Hex thought to be a scam? I don't get it. Just go to their website and read their Q&A. I think your spidey senses will tingle. It's really, their Q&A is really weird. So what month will be the peak? I think for Bitcoin, December. For altcoins, it'll be January. Predictions about AMP, $1 or so. EOS, I already mentioned that. Could Quant be top 10 coin one day? I think so. And if Quant is a top 10 coin, its price would be about $1,800. And I could see it absolutely being top 10. Is VXV similar to Quant? Not that I know of. But listen, I'm still new to VXV, so I'm still learning about it. Will Litecoin drop to 150 or 160? I don't know. I would have said with more confidence that it would, but it's one of those things where, Litecoin held strong at 180 when Bitcoin got to 43.5 today. So $8 to $6, I think so. Did you say you predicted DOT to $50 all-time high? I think at the very least, yeah. The vibe I get from Hex and Richard Hart has kept me far away. Yeah, I'm not a fan of Richard Hart. I think he's a loser. And again, those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube right now. I cannot keep up with the TikTok chat. I'm doing my best on YouTube. So XYO, I mine coin. I convert it to XYO. That's all I see about it. So are we going to be having another correction this month? I could see 10%. And I don't think it's going to be much more than 10% for Bitcoin. And then other coins will do much worse. But now is not the time to sell. Now is not the time to sell anything. Because, I'm very bullish on it, on crypto right now. Price predictions on Quant and Solana for this year. I don't know. I don't have one. Solana, in July, I said Solana would hit $200. It already hit $200. So I need to revise that. What do you want me to say? A 3X from here? We're going to have another correct answer to that. Looking for re-entry anywhere. What does October look like for you? I think we're going to see a little bit more bearishness. October. October is going to be awesome, in my opinion. So Hex's founder has done a big scam before. I've heard that. Richard Hart seems smart but full of it. That's a good point. Buy Solana now. I wouldn't object to buying it now. I do think it'll go a little bit lower. Best value purchase for today? Value. I don't know. I mean, not that DOT is a value purchase, but I do think that DOT's going to do well. I would have my eyes on Cardano, honestly. So, guys, sell alert, no. Let's see. What should I top up on in September? Ethereum and Litecoin, in my opinion. So, Telcoin thoughts. I don't know enough about Telcoin, but somebody I follow on Twitter, Trader360, I take him very seriously, and he's very bullish on Telcoin. Thank you, Imran. Thoughts on the future of Chainlink? Chainlink has a future, 4 figures, in my opinion, this decade. What has more potential next run, Solana or Elrond? So Elrond, I don't own any Elrond, so I hope it's Solana. But Elrond seems to have set up their tokenomics in such a way that they want you to make money. So thank you for that, Rose. So yeah. Hey, the Litecoin prediction now with Walmart, that wasn't true. That was a scam, or whatever you want to call it. That's not real. Check out my most recent TikTok. Thoughts on VRA? I like Theta more, but VRA, I like their team. I think they have very good potential, but nothing right now. Very volatile at the moment. Liquidity is very low. Yeah, because the reason why it's volatile right now is because coins that are over 90% of Bitcoin that are over a month old in people's wallets are not moving. And so they're holding for the potential run up. So is Phantom a crap coin? I don't think so. Let's see. Can Cardano go past $10 this run? It's possible, but I've been saying $8. They are an Israeli company creating jobs in Midwest for Telcoin. Okay. Could this be the last bull run because the market is getting mature? No, but it will stabilize over time. Alice Gaming, I'm bullish on gaming, so I like Alice. I don't own any. So when do you see the market moving back up, and why do you think it will start going up? Because on-chain analytics, I'm super bullish on-chain. On-chain, whales are adding to they're buying these dips. They are taking advantage of it. The big pockets aren't selling nearly as much as you would expect if this was a top. And so to me, the on-chain analytics point to more more bullishness. So thoughts on Cosmos? I've been saying again, lulls, stop spamming. Cosmos, $100. That's all I'll say. Why is HBAR so resistant to the dip? Because I think people see something different with HBAR. It's not a Bitcoin. Sorry, it's not a blockchain crypto. It's a hashgraph crypto. And so it's going to do some different things. How much of percent portfolio do you recommend me to be in Bitcoin? About 25%. Solana, FTM, or one? Solana. FTM, I like FTM, but I like Solana more. Do you think the next bear market will be smaller in length as new millionaires are coming into crypto? I don't know if it'll be smaller, but we are seeing lengthening cycles a little bit lengthening. So every 4 years, the halving has been moving up a little bit. So the last halving was in May of 2020. I could see the next halving be like in March of 2024. And so, but then peaks still at the end of 2025 and early 2026. So I can see something similar happening. So in a sense, yeah, shorter bear markets. Electronium, no, sorry. Did you see MicroStrategy announce their purchase of 550 Bitcoin today? I did not, but that doesn't surprise me. And let's see, September, a lost month, October, November, great months, December, January, crash until, yes, Frederick, yes. When's the 200 people in this chat? I will sell nearly all my positions. Yes, VidMaker, absolutely do that. Thank you. You should go live with CVO to discuss the bottom on ETH. He's saying 2K. Lee John, we've talked about that. CVO crypto. Yeah, Phantom, I've talked a lot about Phantom. I'm not going to talk about it again, sorry. Litecoin volume up, market cap going down. Why? There was some fake news today. Check out my most recent TikTok. Would you like moderators to have your lives go a bit smoother? Sorry. Nope. I'm going to get questions over and over again. It's just one of those things. Would you agree that a person with less than $1,000 shouldn't have their money in Bitcoin, but riskier lower cap alts? I would not agree. I mean, I would say Ethereum. Put it in Ethereum. Do you see Bitcoin going below 20K for bear market? Absolutely not. No. The 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level is at $30,000. And I am absolutely convinced that we will never see a weekly close under $30,000. Will we crash when the S&P bombs? Yes, but when will the S&P bomb? So finally caught you live again. Hello, Kaylin. It's a good entry number for Solana. I don't know. Now seems. What about Harmony One and Matic? Don't know enough about Harmony One to give you honest opinions. Best coin to buy: Ethereum and Litecoin. ETH 25K. Getting so excited. I wouldn't say 25K, but I'm very bullish on ETH. But Matic, like I'm very bullish on Matic, short and medium term. Pablo thinks otherwise. Okay, so Pablo thinks otherwise. All right. So I'm wrong. Therefore, I'm wrong. I know you, El Puño, so I know that's a joke. Do you have a rough idea when we will decouple from the stock market? I don't know. Maybe never. Is it still possible for a newbie to do a 10x in crypto this bull run? If you buy some micro cap coin, sure. But you're going to have to get very likely. I know you do, El Puño. Thank you, Matt Thompson. Again, for those of you on TikTok, I can't keep up with the TikTok chat. But I am live on YouTube, and hop on over to YouTube. Litecoin dumped on me. Will it ever go up? What are you? Litecoin's at 180. Litecoin's fine. It only dumped on you because of some fake news, and now it's at 179.43. It's holding fine. So, oh man, thank you, Bear EFX. Thank you so much. Thoughts on Terra Luna? $100. It's done very well, and it continues to do well. I don't day trade, Jojo. Sorry. How low do you think Quant will fall before we get a bull run? Thanks. Man, Quant it spent like a minute. I'm exaggerating a little bit, but it spent a short amount of time under $300, and then they scooped it up and drove it to 429. And I know it's at 320 something now. Let me check the price of Quant. 333, but I don't think it's going to go that much under $300 if it goes down. But then we'll see in the bear market. We'll see. Litecoin 2022 predictions, $1,500. Best exchange for recurring buys. I know you can do it on Voyager. I'm not sure where else. Can you define long-term and medium-term? Medium is like the remainder of this bull run, which I think will peak in January for altcoins. Long-term is like until the next the next cycle peak at least. So 2025. XTZ, Tezos, it looks good. So... yeah, Quant is a different breed. I was going to make fun of you, but you said breed, not bread. AMP, long-term hold, I don't know. No, not a long hold. Nope. I want to see how it does in the bear market. Good entry price for Litecoin. Man, Litecoin seems to be holding. I mean, maybe if it goes under 160 or so, I would pounce on it. But I don't know. It might not go under 160. Saitama Inu. What in the world is Saitama Inu? I don't know what that is. What was the Litecoin 2022 prediction? $1,500. Electronium, don't know enough. You think KuCoin will also get targeted by SEC as they have a lending system? Maybe, yeah. Anyone that has a lending system might get targeted by the SEC. Hard to tell when is the bear market. Yeah, absolutely. Yep, I hope I'm right. We have been very consistent over the last few months with 2017 and 2013. Bullish hammer in July. August was a good month. September's been flat every time. So ETH January 2022 prediction, $15,000. Litecoin good to DCA? I think so, yeah. XPRT, don't know enough. Quant 330 to 260 range. DCA in October will be triple figures in October. I mean, it is triple figures. Do you mean four figures? Litecoin good to DCA? I think so because I'm very, very bullish on Litecoin short term. Long term, I will not hold a single Litecoin in the bear market. So how is this a good payment coin when being matched to Bitcoin and XRP? I'm not really paying attention to that. The thing about Litecoin is that it is poised. You look at the Litecoin Bitcoin chart, it is poised to do a 2x to 4x in comparison to Bitcoin over the next several months. So any idea of why VeChain seems so weak in this market? I don't know, but I'm not worried about it. Thoughts on Elon Musk? He is who he is. Elon Musk does what Elon Musk does. Do you see blockchain backers video about the stock market red flags? Yes. What do I think about it? I am concerned, but I don't think it's going to be an all-out crash. And I don't think Like that could happen soon, but soon could be like 5 months from now. So it's on my radar, Kalen. Yes. Litecoin doesn't seem to update anything on their website. Not worried about it. Again, did you hear that Litecoin did get fake news? Yes, I did. I made a video, a TikTok about it. If you had to pick one crypto to hold long, thank you for those sunglasses. What would it be? Ethereum and Bitcoin. So can I buy .now? I think it would be good to buy .now. Yes. Can we DCA? Always DCA. Do you think Hotcoin will reach 10p? Yes. Do you see a harder drop, or is now the best time to buy? I'd say now is a very good time to buy, but I could see it going down about 10% for Bitcoin. So EGLD to 1,000, I think so. Yeah. Thoughts on Hex? Am I excited about Pulse Chain? Pulse Chain isn't on my radar. I'm nervous about Hex, but I've done very well with my Hex because I bought when I didn't realize that it might be a scam. Solana or DOT for short term. DOT, definitely. What's a good place or site to buy? Voyager. Go to Voyager, download the Voyager app, use my referral code ALE749. Yes, I did grab some VXV. ALE749, you get $25 of free Bitcoin, and you'll skip the waiting list. Solana to $700, it's possible, yeah. Summer 2021 Bitcoin prediction. Summer's almost over. Do you mean 2022? Because I think we'll be in the bear market at that time, so... You know, if it tops out at $200,000 or so, I could see it going down to, by that time, 90, but going lower after that. So, yeah, Hotcoin, Holochain, yes. Which will go higher, DOT or Link? I would say Polkadot. Okay, so if you're using Litecoin as a leverage position to multi-X Bitcoin, then why not do VET instead? I'm more confident in Litecoin. I have 500 more to put in. What do you think about HBAR? HBAR is a little hot right now. I think HBAR is a good one to put into in general, but Hotcoin, Holochain, have you done any research on newer crypto? Not really, no. Definition of long-term hold for Litecoin. You know, next bull run. I will sell all of my Litecoin when I think it peaks. Do you think now after the smart contract update, ADA dApps are good go-to? Yes. Do you hold AVAX? I don't. Thoughts on AVAX or Cosmos? Don't really know enough about AVAX. But I like Cosmos. So where do you buy VXV? On, oh my goodness, what's the website? Coin Metro. So what do you see Crow getting to? 50 cents. For better gains off of Bitcoin, climb Litecoin versus VET Litecoin. Prediction on ETH all-time high, please. 50,000, or sorry, $15,000. Voyager has good customer service. Yes. What's my code? ALE749. A is in Apple. L is in Larry, E is in Elephant, 749 for Voyager. Could VET hit $5 next cycle? It's possible. If you're a beginner or holder looking for a way to make a huge profit, I advise you to get connected to preferential. Oh no, go out of here. I don't want anything to do with you, Brown Young. Go away. Man, okay. BTT on Voyager. It is on Voyager, yes. EGLD prediction, I don't know. 4 figures. Where can you buy XRP? Uphold. Have you withdrawn any crypto temporarily? I sold about $11,000 of Ethereum at $3,900. And the reason why I did that, yes, I still stake cake. The reason why I did that was more so because I have about $8,000 in taxes to pay, and I have to pay it by October. And so I was like, all right, you know what? If Ethereum goes up, I'll just use this money to pay taxes. If it goes down, then I'll buy more Ethereum and Litecoin. Will apps start to crash when the coins go up a lot? When it's like insane price action, yes. But if it just climbs generally every day, then yes. You can't use my code if you already have Voyager. No. When's the bear market? How long for? It depends. When will things crash? You know, when will things spike up, and then when will things crash? I think the more I think about it, the more I think it's going to be Bitcoin will be December. Most altcoins will be January, and then after that will be a crash. But it'll feel more like a bleed. But by the end of 2022, I think cryptos are going to be, they will be at all-out crash levels. And so, yeah. Is BitBoy crazy for thinking $100 XRP? Yeah. XRP, Coin Metro, Uphold, and BitTrue. Excellent. Will the stock market crash? It could. It might not. I mean, I am an Austrian economist, so I tend to predict. I have a tendency that I'm trying to resist in saying that a stock market crash is imminent, but because I've had that feeling since 2010. That's just the way it is with me. So I don't know. Would you say you're bullish on XRP? Yeah, sure. Any truth on the rumor that Litecoin are also reflected out of Bitcoin? Any update to Litecoin? No, that's not true. Best way to prepare for a sudden crash without panic selling but still staying safe? I don't know, Mohammed. I really don't know. My plan, listen, my plan is when I see Bitcoin at a new all-time high, $65,000, I am going to start taking money off the table. I will probably sell 10% of my Bitcoin, not of my Bitcoin, of my my holdings. That is a very conservative move, and a lot of you are going to be criticizing me for that, and then you'll be laughing as crypto goes higher, but I'm playing it a little bit safe. And then as it goes even higher than that, I'm going to take more money off the table, and I would recommend a similar strategy. Sorry, now I'm behind again. Again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm not going to invest in Bitcoin Latinum. For those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. I can't answer every question on TikTok, and I'm even having a hard time answering questions on YouTube. Yeah, I will absolutely update you when I sell my positions. So, would you say I'm bullish on XRP? Yes. I have invested in 2K in Link, Vet, HBAR, Quant, and StormX. You think my profile can reach 10K in the next 4 months? Yes, I do. When you say crash, I'm not sure what you're asking, but yeah. Does a crash happen overnight? It feels more like a bleed. But it'll be like an aggressive 20%, 30% downward move and then be a bleed. So, Matic price prediction for October, November. Probably an all-time high in November and then moving higher than that after that. ETH to 20K, it's possible, yeah. In simple terms, could you explain a hash graph? Not right now, nope. Let's see. What if Bitcoin peak was in May? I don't think so. I have weighed that out. I have taken that consideration very, very seriously, and it just doesn't make sense to me. And if that was the peak, then if that was genuinely the peak and we're not going to see a higher price, I don't see us just kind of like going down to $20,000 for Bitcoin or $18,000. I see us kind of just remaining at this level for the next 4 years. So, all right, Andy, my code is ALE749. All right, no one's going to laugh at that. Good. A as in Apple, L as in Larry, E as in Elephant, 749. Have you heard of Form? I have not heard of Form. The code is in the description right at the beginning. Okay. No shame in taking profits. That's right. Yeah. Any increase in the money supply that is not met with increased production of goods and services met with higher prices, Bitcoin. There we go. Mr. Bitcoin dip prediction. Do you see 42K? Yes. If into the 30s, 38K, here's my thing. If it goes into the 30s, I think it's going to be under $20,000. Sorry. Oh my goodness. Under 24 hours. Listen, sorry about that. Under 24 hours. So if it goes to 38K, sure. Somebody's saying crash in November. I don't think so. No. Litecoin price prediction, $1,500. What makes me think Bitcoin's going to go up to 200K? I've answered that question so many times. I'm sorry. Didn't finish my sentence before. When you say crash next year, you mean lower prices than now? I think I don't think lower prices than now for the big ones. For like the minor ones, yes, lower prices than now, but not for Bitcoin. So, Matic price peak this bull run, $8 or so is my prediction. I missed your explanation. Can you please tell me what's going on with Ethereum? I don't know. I mean, I'm not sure what's going on. It's just, it's at $3,200. That's a great price. But why not Bitcoin Latinum? Do you still think big dip this week? Yeah. I think the more I think about it, and not big dip, like 10% or so. The more I think about it, if there's going to be a big dip or any kind of dip, I think it's going to happen this week. So, and then, after the Fed announces on the 22nd that they're not tapering, which they won't be, then we're good. We're clear. So thank you, Technically Fundamental. I don't have a referring code for Binance. Do you recommend buying gold now? I think crypto is going to outperform it. So I will buy some gold in the bear market, but not right now. Let's see. Litecoin dip sooner, buy now. Buy a little bit now, but you know, if Bitcoin goes down to the lower 40s or even down to 38,000 or something like that, then obviously Litecoin's going to be at a better price. But I wouldn't like do an all-in thing. I would buy a little bit. So if the Fed announces they do taper, what do you think? I think there will be some dips. Yeah. And you're welcome. Is Litecoin going to go a little lower than what it is? I think so. Yeah. But I mean, listen, on-chain looks amazing right now. On-chain, the long-term holders have hit an all-time high for the number of Bitcoin that they own. It's over 13 million. They are accumulating right now. So that's just, it's good for predicting. On-chain analytics is good for predicting medium and long-term, but not short-term. Hello, Gabriel. Do you think ETH will drop under 2,500? No. You know what? CVO Crypto, my boy CVO, thinks that it's going to drop under $2,500. I don't think so. I don't think Ethereum will. But I could see it under $3,000 at some point. Would you rather buy Solana or Lite right now? Litecoin. Solana is a much better project. I'm just looking at the numbers, and I like Solana a lot more than Litecoin. But short term, it's Litecoin for me. Algo, $7 a cycle is my prediction. What happened to Litecoin? Why did they tweet about Walmart, hack something? Some fake person made a fake public announcement that Walmart was partnering with Litecoin. It's not real. Cumrocket, I'm not paying attention to Cumrocket. I don't care about Cumrocket. What do you mean on-chain? On-chain analytics, glassnode.com. It's like the holy grail for me of on-chain analytics. There's some people I follow on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter, WWBitcoin. But Will Clemente is like the king of on-chain. No, Willy Woo is the king. Will Clemente is like the prince, you know, so follow them. Jojo Whale, something whale. Okay. Buy ETH now or wait. I bought some ETH this morning. I don't regret it. So buy a little bit now, but buy more later. What is the app called? What app? Voyager, if that's what you're asking. Voyager. All right, guys, I have a meeting at 1, and I have to eat lunch before my meeting at 1. I am done with the live stream today. I might be back live on TikTok this afternoon, so come back this afternoon. For me, it's the afternoon. It's 12:30 my time. So I will probably be back, okay? But in the meantime, follow me on Twitter. I'm live right now on YouTube. Go over to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for those of you watching me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok. I've made really good content lately, and I've been on point. I would dare you to find somebody who's been more accurate than me since July, honestly. And so you want the scoop on what's going on, then I'm your man, okay? I am your man. I'm your man. Thank you. I see some people following me. Thank you. You won't regret it. And much love to you all. Thank you all for sticking with me through all of this. I wish I could respond to all of you. If you go over to Twitter and ask me a question on my Twitter account, I will be glad to answer your questions there. But I'm going to have lunch. I'm going to go to my meeting, and I will be back later this afternoon. Okay. Thank you all. See you later.